I'm still not monetized. I have posted, I think, 400 videos, including shorts. Okay, but I saw a girl who posted a video, this YouTuber, and she spoke about how she posted 5 videos and then she was monetized and she started making money, doing well, all that. I'm consistent, I'm doing everything. Hi. So the amount of time it's taking me to figure this tripod out is loco, crazy. I thought I'll do my skincare and talk to you all about life because why not? I'm gonna try sticking to the black seed oil and frankincense thing because I'm doing that at night and I feel like it's working. I use my other oil too, that's more hydrating. But this I feel as though is doing something for my skin, so we're gonna stick to that. So I want to talk to you all about being an adult. I mean, I'm well into being an adult, but I don't know anything. I feel as though I've never been more lost in my life. I feel as though I knew more before, and I'm supposed to know things right now, but I don't. I don't know what's happening. I'm at a crossroads in life, and I don't know what's on the left and what's on the right and what's ahead of me. I know what's behind me, but I still don't know why what happened has happened. In a sense, in the positive way also, that why did I have I done as much as I've done in life and then come here and suddenly I'm at a screeching halt. So no one tells you about this when you're younger. I mean, maybe people do actually that have fun. This is the best time of your life, blah blah blah, and we don't listen to it. But honest to God, right now, I just don't know what's happening. And I really thought I would know by now. I should know by now. It's just a very unsettling feeling because it goes against whatever you've grown up even watching. You watch these sitcoms, you watch movies, and you see how everyone by this time has sorted things out. Even your friends, when you look at your friends also, and you see that okay, everyone has their together, their life together, and I'm just thinking, how am I not? I'm not even concerned about it. Honestly, that's what the scary part is. Sometimes I sit and maybe, maybe I should be bothered, but all in all, I just don't think it's registered that I should know what I'm supposed to do. I mean, I don't know. I'm not worried. Should I be worried? Would you be worried? One second. Pause, guy. I mean, I'm talking to the camera. As I was saying, according to everything that I've seen everywhere since childhood, I should technically know what I'm supposed to do. And a lot of people I've grown up with do know what they're doing. Also, on social media, everyone seems like they know what they're doing. But I don't know. I mean, I really hope something. I've never put in thought into anything in life. Everything has just happened. And the things I've thought about, they've always backfired when I think about things. Wait, let me wear this because it's my whole outfit. I mean, you gotta stay true to your outfit, at least that much I know. So, what am I supposed to do? कल क्या होने वाला है मुझे कुछ पता नहीं. मुझे तो आज का भी ज़्यादा आइडिया नहीं है. पर मैं क्या बोलूँ? एक सेकेंड. The reason I keep going away is because these birds keep making these sounds, the pigeons. I have nothing against them, but I just don't like their sound. I mean, I'm sure you all wouldn't also in the video. So, what am I supposed to be doing? I watch these few documentaries. I love watching documentaries because they tell you, you hear that sound? That's the sound that bothers me. 1 second. Yeah. I mean, this could be a way of looking at life. Also, things that are bothering me are not in my control. Nothing is bothering me as such, but I feel as though I don't know. So I like watching documentaries, and I keep watching these things, these HBO originals, and in that I watched Elizabeth Taylor's life. I think I posted in one of the vlogs, the ones I watched. It is crazy how life keeps changing. But at this point, I just feel as though कितना और मैं देख सकती हूँ. Like, I mean, I know there's a lot left to look at. But I just need a ray of hope, sunlight. I love the sun. So I just want to ask if anybody else also feels this way, as though they don't know what the hell is happening. I'm trying to not talk while doing this. 1 second. Okay, fast forward while editing. Okay, I think I'll do this later. So, as I was saying, I don't know what's supposed to happen, and I really need a sign or some sort of a. I don't know, I need something to let me know that everything is going to be okay, because I saw this Sadhguru's interview in which they were talking about destiny and free will. So he explained it as that people look at their future as destiny, what will happen, and they look at their past as free will, and then live in guilt and blame themselves. Which I do have guilt over things, but not these things. I mean, I have in the past. So he said the right way to do things is look at things is that you look at your past as destiny, that what had to happen has happened, and the future is free will, and you work towards your future. This bird, man, 1 second. That was me just slamming the window because I'm quite ladylike that ways. So, I don't know. Does everyone have everything together? Do they know? I mean, I don't know. And you know what has happened in the past year, last year, especially the end of last year? I spent a lot of time realizing that the things I thought I wanted were not the things I wanted. The person I thought I was, I didn't even know who I was, honestly. I figured out a lot of that last year. So now it's made me reconsider everything and question everything. So now I'm just in this limbo where I don't care. But then I feel like my subconscious mind maybe is a tad bit worried. So let me know. That's all for today's vlog, because I need to do my face. I mean, not fix, I need to wash up. Thank you guys though. I mean, does everybody know what they're supposed to do, and is everyone happy where they're at in life, and what's the purpose of life, honest to God? क्या फायदा क्या है सबका? उठो हर रोज कुछ करो. This is not even depressing, this is just a genuine concern. I have purpose in life. I like being happy, that's my purpose. Is that a silly purpose? That's what I'm questioning. My purpose is not silly though. Can't be silly. But what about the other things in life? I'm not ready for those other things in life, I feel. I don't know. You wish, maybe I've become really aware, so suddenly I'm aware of everything. Because I remember before I was just so distracted and constantly entertaining myself and concerning myself with other people's business, in the sense that I want to constantly fix people, and now I've started trying to fix myself and not others. So maybe I'm just aware to look within, and that's why it's freaking me out. But I just hope this is not it. Does that make sense? I appreciate my journey. I have gratitude for everything that's happened in my life, but I'm just at a point where I want to know that there's more to this. I'll give you a small example. I'm on YouTube now. It's been a while. I'm consistent. I'm doing everything. I'm still not monetized. So I'm just like, why am I? So, when you don't get a reward, you just feel a little demotivated to do things. So, when you don't get a reward, you just feel a little demotivated to do things. I'm honestly looking at it as doing this for myself now. But imagine not being monetized is. I saw a girl who posted a video, this YouTuber, and she spoke about how she posted 5 videos and then she was monetized and she started making money, doing well, all that. I have posted, I think, 400 videos, including shorts, okay? But that's crazy. I just don't know what to say, guys. I don't know. That's one small example. I'll give you another example. I started eating healthy, being healthier, not healthy, healthier, and started paying more attention to everything. And I feel as though my health took a turn for the worse in the beginning, at least. Touch wood, it's better right now. But still, I'll give you another example. I don't have, uh, I have a problem with boundaries, so I've had a lot of toxic equations with friends. So I cut off from everybody and have set healthier boundaries. I'm literally not answering calls this year. If I don't think you're not right for me, I'm not going to answer calls. And it's also not, I could have had a normal conversation with you the last time we spoke, but I've understood that, there were other things you've done to me and I don't want to speak to you. These are friendships. But I feel as though I've done all that, I'm making better decisions, but I don't feel rewarded. If anything, I feel like I've been punished further. I mean, it's a sad thing that I'm looking at things that, okay, what am I getting? Maybe that's the lesson I need to learn. So, all in all, these are a few examples. Another example I can give you is I I'm thinking, what other example? I'll give you a small example. I have started paying more attention to my hair. That's another example. My hair, I just want to grow long, honest to God. That's why my hair is always tied, it's oil. What else? What other example can I give you? I have no other examples, but I just need things to work out because I am a little impatient and I've also gotten things relatively easier in a sense that I've not wanted it and I've gotten it. Does that make sense? It makes sense. And now I'm just as I don't know what I'm saying. I don't know where this conversation is going. That's what's happening in my mind right now. This is exactly what's happening in my mind. Anyways, thank you for watching this video. I hope this was as confusing for you all as it's been for me. Later.